Ford enthusiasts have long dreamed of a Bronco pickup truck. While Ford hasn't made one, SoFlo Customs has stepped up to the challenge with their innovative conversion, the Stud. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga, speed up to your ride. Unlike Jeep, however, Ford already has pickups with its mid-size Ranger, full-size F-150, and compact Maverick, so there really isn't a huge push for a new pickup. Though that doesn't mean someone can't dream one up and build it, which is what Joseph Gadas and SoFlo Customs just did.